To make the most out of your au pair stay, you need to have a plan. In this video, I'm going to give you 8 tips split into 2 parts: what to do before you start au pairing and what to do once you are an au pair. Make sure to watch the full video so that you don't miss out on any of the tips so that you can have the best au pair experience possible. My first tip would be to establish your expectations. Ask yourself the question, what do you want to get out of your time as an au pair? Are you using it as just like a gap period in your life where you can just travel and have fun? Or are you going to use it while you work on some other projects like writing a book? Number 2, do research on where you will be staying. What's the weather like? What are the things to do in the city? Your best bet would be to watch a vlogger on YouTube who stays in your new city. You will feel less of a culture shock if you somewhat know what to expect. By doing so, you can take the shock out of culture shock so that it's more like culture preparedness. Number 3, join social groups like au pair Facebook groups where you can meet other au pairs who are already in the city, or to meet other like-minded people who share the same interests as you. Number 4, learn the language. If you're going to be au pairing in a country where you don't know the native language fluently, then what you should do is start to learn the language before you begin so that it'll make your life a lot easier and a lot less stressful. Number 5, speak to the previous au pair. They will have invaluable information about the city, the family, and just au pair life in general. I made a brand new video on my channel, The Bro Pair, about the top 10 questions that you need to ask the previous au pair. So you should definitely check that out after this video. It'll be linked up here and down in the description below. Number 1, travel more. You're going to get time off, so take advantage and don't miss out on this opportunity to travel while you can. You don't know when next you're going to be in this part of the world, so carpe diem. And if you can manage to go on a trip with other au pairs, it will make the experience so much more enjoyable. Number 2, immerse yourself in the new culture. Take a language course. This will help you to meet new people, and also you should hang out with locals because they'll be able to show you the best spots in the city that aren't flooded with tourists. And lastly, number 3, learning from home. Be prepared to help your host kids with learning from home. We don't live in an ideal world right now, and if the day calls for it, then rise to the occasion and show your host parents why you are the best au pair they've ever had. One of my biggest regrets was that I never hit the ground running from the moment I stepped foot in America. Don't make the same mistakes as what I did, and I can assure you, you'll thank me later. This is an amazing opportunity, and not many people will be so lucky. Yes, there can be times where it's going to be challenging, but when that last day comes, you'll look back and only remember the good times and be so proud that you decided to take the leap. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope that this video helped you in understanding the importance of preparing for your time as an au pair. If you need more information about being an au pair, then the links to my Instagram and my YouTube will be down in the description below, and I have a video for pretty much any question that you have. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like and consider subscribing if you aren't already. What is one thing that you are most nervous about in your anticipation of your au pair adventure? Tell me in the comments below. I hope you have a great day, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.